This Keller Williams Realty Johnson County property video is presented by Frank Gilmer. Move-in ready. You'll love this gorgeous 3-bed 2-bath with 2-car garage. You will enjoy living in this beautiful home with its large open floor plan. Lots of room in the kitchen and dining area. Cozy fireplace for those cold winter months. Winter will be here before you know it. Split bedrooms, and large walk-in closets. Plenty of room in the backyard for a pool. Newer roof 3 years, new flooring, dishwasher and garbage disposal. Property won't be on the market long. For more information, review the details below or contact Frank Gilmer at 817-797-6535.